Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you a tool called Rewind.ai. So this is the search engine for your life. So it can rewind and see whatever you have done using your laptop. You can search for anything that you have been said or you have heard. So Rewind will record anything you have been said or heard, and it will make it searchable. So for your privacy, they store all the recordings locally on your Mac, and only you have access to them. And it uses a mind-boggling compression technology so that it doesn't take up a lot of your space. So even meetings, it can search. It can rewind automatically to record your meetings, making them easy to search. So let me show you how it works.
Hi, I'm Dan Soroka, the co-founder, and once Rewind is installed, you can open it by hitting Command-Shift-Space. You can type in anything you've seen, said, or heard to search for it, and down below, you can scroll through time. This opens an entirely new dimension of computing, time. With Rewind, you can literally rewind time. Ever want to retrace your steps or go back to a slide in a meeting, or maybe go find something you might want to copy and paste from your past? Now you can. You can simply go back a few minutes, copy it, and you're done. The real power of Rewind comes from search. Let me show you an example. Here I'm going to search for TPS reports. Now every time the term TPS reports appeared on my screen or was said by someone in a meeting, it shows up as a search result. At the top here, I can filter these results by the app that the term appeared in, and below I see the results themselves. Here's a Zoom meeting I had, a text message I received, an email, here's a Word document, a Keynote file, a Loom video, and even a Slack message. Again, anything that I've seen on my machine, now I can search using Rewind. In this case, I'm looking for the cover sheet, so I'm going to click on this meeting I had with Bill, which was actually shared with me by Bill during a Zoom meeting. He was actually screen sharing, that's why it was hard for me to find this. I was able to find it by looking at the transcript of the meeting. Here I'm searching for the word TPS report, and I can find every occurrence of it during this meeting. I can also switch between the Zoom meeting, which I was in, and whatever else I was doing on my machine at the same time, using this picture-in-picture control at the bottom left. In this case, what I was looking for is this document, and so even though Bill was sharing it with me via Zoom while sharing his screen, I can actually click on the link that appeared in the screen share and open it up in my browser.
So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.